Today I will show to you a super Excel spreadsheet. But before, if you don't know how to Excel and you want to do Fourier transform, so you have a trouble,
Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
then you have to solve this math accounts. So I always need a software to do the work for me. I use a software for translate, I use a software for make derivatives, integrations, and for this reason I build this spreadsheet. With this spreadsheet you will save time for calculation fast Fourier transform. You will do a complex calculations in a simple way. With only one click you can solve this problem. So let's see how this spreadsheet works. You can imagine that this could be a stock market or could be a sales price, and you need to predict this. How you make this prediction? First, you make your series stationary. After this, you discover the frequencies. You discover the frequency with fast Fourier transform. Now you discover the frequencies. The frequency is something above 5. With the frequency, if you remember the frequency is inverse of the period, you can discover the period of your data repeat. This is a very important information. With this you can make a prediction with the period of your data will repeat. So you have here 0.3. The next lower point you must be 0.55. Voila, 0.56. And this is what you want. You enjoy this spreadsheet, and you have some doubt, write in the comments, and the link for this spreadsheet is below this video, and I see you in the next one.